Ladies and gentlemen, we have runners in 100-meter dash elementary race final.
Okay, for event number 46, 100-meter dash, boys secondary. Athlete number 688, Abner Ronbos Gabriel of Tacloban City. Athlete number 548, Saclohon Ace Niño of Maasin City. Athlete number 598, Anadeo Kendrick, Ormoc City. Athlete number 642, Johan Aaron James of Samar. Athlete number 517, Manuel Mark Louis of Leyte. Athlete number 516, Goron Rogen Leyte. Athlete number 662, De La Vega Hartban of Southern Leyte. And athlete number 577, Paharoha Hepson of Northern Samar. Okay, those are the athletes for the 100-meter dash event number 46. Event number 46, boys. Next is the list of the finalists for 100-meter dash, girls secondary. Event number, athlete number 583, Berthe Rihanna Rose of Ormoc City. Athlete number 503, Sarsona Shena of Leyte. Next, athlete number 677, Durante Nicole Clarice of Tacloban City. Athlete number 471, Eder Divine Grace of Eastern Samar. Athlete number 5947, Playana Jane of Ormoc City. Athlete number 625, Plaza Maria Cristel May of Samar. Athlete number 525, Celeste Giselle of Maasin City. And athlete number 652, Saldivar Hannah Jane of Southern Leyte. Congratulations, girls, in advance.
Okay, amot to ano mga kaisusunanan mga finalist secondary level boys and girls. So good luck kayong tanan magtitikag na itaw finals 100-meter dash. Alright, tingnan na.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have runners in 100-meter dash secondary girls final.
Okay guys, Ormoc nagdaog daog Ormoc second and Leyte mga kaigsunan ng 100-meter dash element secondary girls. So damo nga dit mga athlete nato no damo tagpapapicture kat idolo.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have runners in 100-meter dash secondary boys final.
Kaya mo itong mga kasangkayan na 100 meter dash secondary
finalists
boys
in event
final.
number 57.
Mga igsuon ko, mga igsuon ko